How to set up Xbox Family Safety. To set up Xbox Family Safety, first of all, you have to download the Microsoft Family Safety application from your Google Play Store or your App Store. You simply have to launch them, tap on the search bar, then search for Xbox Family Settings or application. You will find the Microsoft Family Safety over here. Go ahead and install it. From here, you simply have to now create or simply sign into your account. Then tap the Add a Family Member button and then enter your child's Microsoft account email address and also select their role as a member. An invite will be sent to their email. Log into their account briefly to accept the invitation to join your family group. From there, you can set screen time limits and configure the content and game restrictions as well. You can also adjust multiplayer and communication privacies. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.